Hey everyone, it's me Sabir again, and this video is about Screaming Frog. How you can use Screaming Frog and why Screaming Frog is my personal favorite. So before I continue the video, make sure to subscribe the channel, and if you have any suggestion or any recommendation, make sure to write in the comment below. Alright, so let's explore Screaming Frog. So why Screaming Frog is my personal favorite? Because it can crawl the site very effectively and show you a comprehensive data related to your site. It can show you every single thing related to your site. So for example, if there is a link on the page and if there are images on the page, images missing all tags, or if the images are heavy over 100 KB, so it can show you everything. It can also show you spelling and grammar mistakes. It can show you any error in your site that disturbing your site. You can also set APIs with Google Search Console, Analytics, Moz, Href, and some other applications also offer that as well. So in short, it is a comprehensive tool, and that I like the most. And this is my go-to weapon when it comes to auditing the site and tracking everything related to the site. And this is a software type application that you need to install in your computer, and this is a paid application. So if I open the site, so it offer both version, free and paid. So the free version have some limitations, and the paid version of course do not have any limitations. So you can check the detail here by visiting the site, and let's explore Screaming Frog. So this is an interface of Screaming Frog, and if you want to crawl the site, you just need to put the URL and click on start. You can select subdomain, all domain if you want to crawl them as well. You can also extract the URL, and if you want to clear all these things, you have to click on clear, and all the things will be disappear. So other than that, if I talk about menu, so the menu has a very a long list or a comprehensive sort of options which I do not use the most. I only use which I needed. So this is the file. You can check crawl recent file. You can also save file and open the file as well, view and mode. This is very interesting. So right now it is on Spider, and if I click on the list, so it will allow me to upload the list, and it will start crawling. So for example, if I have a number of URLs in the Google Sheet, or in any sheet, so I just have to click on list. It will show me the upload option, and then I'll be able to upload the URLs. It will start crawling those URLs, and it will share the data if there are any error with the URL or anything wrong with the URLs. And then we have configuration. You can also configure the things. You can upload the report.txt and crawl that as well, and it will show you either there is something wrong with the report.txt or not. And this is bulk export. I do not use it, but you can also track different things with that. For example, links, response score check, content, near duplication, soft 404 links, chronicles, and a report. I like to use this option, redirect chain, and if I click on it, so it will save the list in my Gmail address. You can also save the sheet in your computer as well. So sitemap, this is also very interesting option, because with the help of this option you can create custom sitemap if you want to create. So for example, if there are some URLs which I want to include in the sitemap, and there are some other URLs which I want to exclude, so I can use sitemap custom option with the Screaming Frog, and I can create custom sitemap. In the same way, I can also use image sitemap option as well. And this is visualization. This is also very interesting. So this is crawl tree graph, and it will show you the graph of your site. So as you can see, this is a graph, and you can check how your site pages are connected. So for example, this is a blog, and the continue line connected to the red, and then you can see the green are those which I have published, or a webmaster published the pages. In the same way, you can also check directory tree graph, and then there is scroll analysis. You have to put the license here and help, and different option. So if I explore this option, I like to use this one most of the time, and I just have to scroll down and I have to go on URL. So in the URL, it will show you different options. So for example, if your site have some underscore URLs, uppercase URL, multiple slashes, and contain space, parameters, and different option you can explore. And then I have page titles. I can check if there are some pages that do not have title. The titles are duplicate in the site over 60 characters. So you can see it will also show me the length. This title is 106 character long, and then 67, 67, 71. And this is same as H1. And then I can track meta description as well. So over 155 characters. So if there are any meta description pages that less than 70 characters, H1 issues, H2, and soft 404, spelling error, images. So images, this is also very interesting. It show you the images which are over 100 KB, and it will also show you the images which are missing the alt tags. And for example, if I want to check where are the images on the page that are missing alt tags, all I need is I need to click on image detail. So this is an image which is missing alt tag, and this image is on all of these pages. So you have to click on and these URL, you have to edit it, and you can put the sitemap, not sitemap, you can put the image alt text and it will disappear from here. And then I can also check chronicles, pagination, and below are the things which I do not use. Sitemap you can also check. This is also very useful. It will show you all the URLs, orphan URLs, non-indexable URL in the sitemap, and custom search. So there are different options you can explore based on your need and based on your choice. So if I click on issue, so for example, if you have a client and you want to present an instant report to the client, so you just need to crawl the site, you have to click on export, and you can deliver to the client, and it will show you all the errors which are in the site, and it will also show you on the priority base. So for example, pagination non-indexable, so this is on high priority, and chronicles high priority, and H1 issues issue is there, and this is medium priority. You can also check site structure. This is a path which we can see in the hosting, and this is a crawl depth, how far a page from the home page or the menu. And in the below you can check if there are any errors, 4x, 5x, and 3x, 301 redirect, 404 not found, and different things. Segments I do not use, response type I do not use, API. This is also very interesting. You can check all of these options and connect APIs with Google Search Console, page speed insight, Majestic, Href, Moz. So for example, I want to click on connect Google Search Console. Just click on gear icon, sign in with the Google, and you will be able to connect the API. And then I can also check spelling and grammar mistakes. So this is error count, so you can see that this is highlighting possible spelling mistake found. So that way you can also check spelling and grammar mistakes. So other than this tab, if I click on internal, so these are the internal pages on the site, and if I click on all, so it will show me all the pages that are on the site. It can also show me on the directory pages. So I just want to click on HTML, and I just want to see the pages which are which is on the site, or which the site have. So I can also track them. So it will show you every single detail of any URLs, for example, content type, status code, indexable, meta description length in pixels, keywords, so where are the H1s, H2, and again meta report tags if there have any, word count, average word per sentence, sentence count, readability, text ratio, crawl depth. So unlimited options we have. And if I click on external, so that means these are the URLs or the pages which are going from our website to another website. So this is in short, these are external links. So this is Instagram, and I can also track 301 redirect and 404 or any error if there are any in the external pages. And in the same way, you can also check security, response time, and this is also very useful option because on a single click I can check if there are any error or not. For example, I want to check 301 redirect, so it will show me all of these 301 redirect here. And client forex error, so it will show me here all of the things. URLs, page title, meta description, H1, content, images, chronicles, so all of the things are on the second header. You can also track all of these in this tab, so it's depend upon your choice. And for example, if I want to see if there are any error in the site, so I just need to click on status code, so I can see there are 404 not found. So for example, I want to track them. Where are they, from where they are coming, and from where the link is coming, where to link is going. So for example, if I click on this, I have to move the cursor to the bottom, URL detail, and then in links. So here I can see the 404 or the link that is connected to this one, and from here it is coming to that pages. So for example, I can track with the anchor text. I have to copy that URL, put it in the Google, and I can copy the anchor text, Control F, paste the anchor text, and it will show me the anchor text on the page, and that way I can track where the URL is placed in the page. So in the same way, you can track every error. And for example, I want to track 301 redirect. In the same way, I can also track 301 redirect. So as you can see, from to, so that means from this page to this page, the 301 redirect is created, and under the anchor text of this help and support. So that is how the Screaming Frog is useful, and that is how you can use it. So other than that, you can also explore all of these option resources, SERP snippet. I do not normally use all of these options because I do not need it. I just use URL detail, in links, image detail, and that's it. And I also used these tab. So other than that, I don't think so there is anything which I would like to highlight or I should have explained, because nothing is important other than this. So let's clear it, and let's click on list. So as I talk about from the file, so it will show me the file, and I can crawl the file as well. Enter manually, so I can paste the URL in here, and it will start crawling. paste. Okay, it's only crawl the home page. So just clear and download sitemap. So if I want to download sitemap pages, I have to click on this option, put the URL here, click on OP, and it will crawl, and after that I can export as well. And if I click on SERP, so again I need to upload the file and it will start crawling. So that way I can explore different option based on the need, and of course I can also compare the thing. Select crawl and then select crawl, and it will compare the things out. So that's how you can change the mode. So I normally use spider and list. Other than that, I didn't use anything. So again, in this tab there is nothing important. Of course all of these things are important, but for a beginner or for the user who just want to crawl the site and track the errors, nothing to, no need to explore all of these things. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you need anything else or you need more guidance in depth related to Screaming Frog, you can ask me in the comment below. I will record another video. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.